Hey friends, today I thought I would bring you some summertime homemaking inspo. I thought I would just kind of bring you throughout my day today. I'm just doing a few things around the house. I am going to share with you a really simple lunch idea, one that I have been loving here recently, as well as a dinner idea. And it's something you might be familiar with, but it's a little twist on it that, in my opinion, think it makes it even better. So thank you for joining me today. I hope that you love this video. Obviously, I'm starting in here in the bedroom today, just getting my bed made up. Feels so good to have it made and nice and tidy in here. And as you can see, we did make over this bedroom while I took my little break. Kind of gives all the coastal vibes in here now. Okay, I'm just making myself some lunch and I thought I would share what I'm having today. I know a lot of y'all like to see, kind of get lunch ideas for yourself, things like that. And this is something I've been hooked on lately. So I've recently tried this chicken. It's the Real Good chicken and it's pretty good. It's a little bit different. Y'all might know I normally buy the Just Bare chicken, which is this brand. They have the spicy fillets. Those are kind of like Chick-fil-A, but we love the little chicken nuggets and the chicken strips. This brand is my favorite. However, I do really like this brand because, as you can see, it has very few carbs in here. Of course, lots of protein, and you can have a good bit for, not a lot of carbs and calories and all that. So I'm making myself a salad. Also, this is the kind of lettuce that I've been buying. It is a little bit pricey for what it is, I guess, but it's just so good. It's a mix of, I think they said it's a mix of iceberg and green leaf lettuce. So it's that really green lettuce, but still has that crunch. So good. And then in lieu of croutons, I have recently found that these wonton strips, these are so good on a salad for a little bit of a crunch. And as you can see, for 2 tablespoons, it's only 35 calories, 4 grams of carbs. That's really not that much, especially when I'm not using carbs in other things. I measure everything out. You can see how many I have on top with my chicken. I just have a little bit of cheese. I'm doing a grocery order in a little bit, so not a whole lot going on, but it is so delicious. And of course, can't go wrong, or can't have a salad without my favorite ranch. This is the Lighthouse Homestyle Ranch, and either this or the little squeeze jar, they're both good. This one tastes a little bit more like, I don't know, almost like a ranch, a homemade ranch you would get at a nice restaurant, if that makes any sense at all. Tastes slightly different from the squeeze bottle in my opinion, but either way, both so good. Such a filling little lunch, low carb, relatively low calorie. Thought I would share that. One thing that I've really been into lately, I got into it last summer, but even more this year, is just all the different flowers around my pool. I've really been trying to kind of make it feel more tropical back here with all of the bright colors. So we've been planting flowers. I'm out here watering them now after lunch. And my mom recently bought me 2 hibiscus flowers. They're the most pretty, bright, kind of reddish orange color. And I really wanted to repot those today in some pots that I'll show y'all in a later video. But as you can see, it started to rain, so I had a little change of plans. Alright, I was going to show y'all my plants and how I was going to move certain ones to certain other pots and everything, but I'll just say that for another day because it is pouring down rain, as y'all can see. And honestly, I've took my hat off. I did not even feel like cooking tonight, but I really need to. So I'm going to show y'all the most easy recipe. It's Mississippi chicken, but I know we've all seen that a million times. It's even easier. I did share this on Instagram a few weeks ago. It might be even better than the regular. So I thought I would share that. Instead of doing flowers, let's put our hair up in a bun and just come inside and cook some comfort food. All right, so this is a baked Mississippi chicken, and we just have a 9 by 13 here. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little spray. And then I have Mr. Pete over here helping me tonight because, like I said, I don't feel like cooking, so teamwork makes the dream work. He is just cutting up about
There's no I in team, but there's a me. Did you know that?
I was going to say there's a we, but there's not.
There's a me.
There's a you.
There's a me.
There's not a you.
No you.
there's
a me.
Yeah.
Me is cutting this chicken.
So, cutting this chicken into about 1-inch little cubes. And this is going to help this Mississippi chicken cook really quickly. And it is just so good. So, we're going to cut that up into cubes. Get it in our baking dish. We have the oven preheated to 400. All right, y'all. So, just like the regular Mississippi chicken, we're going to need 1 packet of au jus gravy mix. But yes, y'all, I made this one day for Sunday dinner after church. It took 30 minutes. If you forget to put Mississippi chicken in the crock pot, this is such a easy alternative. And my family, my kids especially, liked it better. So we're just going to sprinkle our au jus right all over our chicken. And then, of course, we're going to need 1 packet or about 3 tablespoons of our ranch seasoning. I got a little bit left in this jar, so we're just going to use that right up.
Just like as long as you're breaking.
All right, that was about 5 tablespoons of butter. I know that might have looked like more, but I just kind of cut each tablespoon in half just to kind of spread it out evenly all over top of our chicken. And then I know normally with this, we use the peppercini peppers, but I had these sliced banana peppers and I used these last time in here and it was so good. It really added a similar flavor. Basically no heat in here, and since they're sliced up, it works perfectly with how we're going to cook this. So you can really just add however many of these that you want. All right, so like I said, the oven is at 400. This is going in there uncovered for just about 30 minutes. I think my favorite part of doing the Mississippi chicken this way baked is those little brown kind of bits that kind of get caramelized on there. This is so good. I pretty much always serve ours with some rice or mashed potatoes. So I was doing a little bit of rice tonight, and of course we had to have a little bit of fried okra on the side. Still have that gravy down in your pan just like you would with the slow cooker. This is such an easy meal. I hope y'all give this recipe a try, and don't forget to say hello down in the comments. I would love to know that you stopped by today, and thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all real soon in the next one. Bye y'all.